Georgia, northeastern Houston County and central Georgia, eastern Crawford County and central Georgia, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jack Brown Estates, for 8 miles east of Roberta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. He has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bibb County and central Georgia, Twiggs County and central Georgia, northeastern Peach County and central Georgia, northeastern Houston County and central Georgia, eastern Crawford County and include Macon, Jeffersonville, Warner Robins, Centerville, Byron, Robins Air Force Base, Marion, Harversville. The storm was located near Jack Brown Estates, for 8 miles east of Roberta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-67-634-466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. Powerville, Scapperton, Jack Brown Estates, Bullard, Rutland, Fitzpatrick, Ripley, at noon in Hubert, Dry Branch, and Lizella. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-67-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The following report